Welcome to TubeCore. Casual videos but hardcore knowledge. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, press that bell notification. Let's start the video.
Pixivid Pro 2.0 review. Namaste friends and welcome to your channel TubeCore, and in this video we will quickly talk about this offer called Pixivid Pro 2.0. So this is that review, and on the sales page it says the easiest way to make studio quality videos with no complex programming tech, easy as 1 minus 2 minus 3. Cut out the stress and cost of hiring a studio and take creative control into your hands with the most user-friendly video templates on the market. In the market, I guess. 200 plus stylized, I guess, right? Stylized, high converting and easy to customize templates. Social media optimized templates for Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, and Twitter. So we have banned TikTok in our country. We have, okay? It's not like TikTok doesn't work in my country. I mean, they want to work, they were working, but we as a country, we have banned them, and we take pride in doing that, okay? Because these things spoil your generations, your kids, and these are not safe because they actually have all your data. Whatever you do on your phone, TikTok, right? They know your IMEI number, they know your details, your phone, your pictures, your videos, everything about your identity. All these companies know, okay? I don't want to give you lectures on TikTok, Facebook, and Instagram, but use social media in limit, okay? Because you make those funny faces when you create your when you take your selfies or when you make those reels Instagram. Do you realize everything is out there in public? Your pictures, videos, your phone numbers, your name, email address, everything is with these companies. That's your personal data. TikTok, we have banned it with pride. Sophisticated designs for popular industries, no extra plugin needed, only PowerPoint tutorials takes out of the extra hassles and gives you short and sweet tutorials. So yes, this is as short as this review. There's nothing much to talk about here. You will be getting some video templates which you can use them in creating either YouTube videos or any marketing promotional videos, okay? So no more time wasted on revising or struggling to learn complicated technical. Pixivid Pro 2.0 is all of this. Mainly you will find all the tools and samples and everything, or resources which you need to check before you buy on the sales page itself here. So I'll scroll through and you will see there will be some demo videos you see here. So what is this? Chrome Dynamic 2022, and this is stylish. This is some sport event, colorful promo, modern corporate office, colorful slideshows. This is inspiring urban and new sport promo. So you see here there are so many video templates, right? Depending on the category. Module 2, so they have a lot of modules, I guess maybe 4 modules. Let's check. Module 3, in which you will get 12 story video templates, okay? And then you have module 4 and 5, and let's see how many, module 6, 7, and that's it, I guess, right? Or maybe more modules. Let's see. I don't think so. These are your bonuses, I guess, okay? So I will leave the link, okay? I will leave the link of the sales page below my YouTube video somewhere here. So once you click on show more, you have to find the link which says grab Pixivid Pro 2.0 copy. Click on that link and then you will be taken to the sales page where you can see all these sample videos, and then you can make up your mind. This is costing you $19, I guess, and there are a couple of OTOs, so I will show you the OTOs as well in a moment. Let me talk about some frequently asked questions. So what is Pixivid FX templates? These are new templates added, okay? Refund process, there's no refund, okay? They will give you the refund only if the product doesn't work or they can't fix it. So that's the only situation in which you will get the refund. If you ask me, there's no refund. So only buy if you don't want the refund, okay? And music, blah, blah. So yes, whatever it is. Contact support, you can contact them on this website here. What is the license? You get commercial license, I guess. So you can do 2 things. You can use for your own projects, make your own videos, or make videos for your clients, no matter how many, okay? You cannot give it for free, can't be sold, can't be sold again. So there is no master resale rights. If you have MRR. If you get master reset rights, then you can sell this product as your own, but you are not getting those. Okay, can't be offered as a bonus, can't be, so it can't be given away for free technically, but you can use it for your own work or for your client's work. Okay, how do I download? You will be sent your login details, right? And anything else we have here. So how do I edit Pixivid? Simple, you have to use PowerPoint, right? You need to use PowerPoint, and it's at least PowerPoint 2013 or PowerPoint 2010. So make sure you have PowerPoint and you need to use it. Upsells, yes, there are upsells. Let me show you the upsells here. So front end will cost you $19, and then we have this description. So this is an incredible package of updated and trendy 2022 video, story, and banner templates. Now it's so easy for the modern blah blah blah. This is what you get. Okay, this is what you will be getting in $19, right? And if we talk about the OTOs, let's see here. These are the OTOs. Okay, so this is front end. This is gold upgrade 37, downsell 27, then OTO 2 is bundle 67, right? So there's not much going on here, only 2, and you can use this coupon code PIXIVD2 off to give you $2 discount, which means you can get this in $17 only after using this discount coupon code, right? So front end, I think we are done here. So yeah, that's it. Pixivid, quite short and simple. If you have the need of these templates which I have shown you here on the sales page, then you can go and buy this. And while we are talking about the videos, well, actually I'm making a video too right now. Okay, so you are listening to me, you are not watching my face because it's not required, because you are here for the review, for the content. I don't and I personally, I don't use lipstick. Okay, so there's no need for you to watch me. And yeah, so I am also making a YouTube video, and I am recording a very simple, very basic video. Okay, all I am doing is recording my laptop screen, and I have a mic, I have a headphone on my head. I'm recording my voice. That's my video. Funny thing is that this video is actually making money for me, the one which I am recording right now. Okay, so whether you go and buy this Pixivid Pro or not, and you use these, you go and use these templates, they may or might make you money. But this basic video, simple video which I have just recorded, this video is surely gonna make money for me. Okay, if you want to know more details how and why, then you can go below my YouTube video and first of all subscribe. Okay, subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, press the bell notification. All these videos are for you people. I am not here to tell myself what to buy, what not to, right? It's for you, to help you to make a buying decision, right? So hit the subscribe button, like the video, and if you want to support or contribute to this channel, you can use the super thanks button here, and you can leave your colorful comments. Just hit this button and take action. And if you want to make money with videos, with basic simple videos just like me, then you can check out this first link here which says make money with Traffic Jarvis. This Traffic Jarvis will help you to make YouTube videos, or rather make money on YouTube for the rest of your life, because with YouTube you can make money without selling anything. As an example here, in this video you have seen some ads in the beginning, I believe, right? So you must have seen some ads in this YouTube video. The more people see these ads, the more money this video is gonna make for me. Okay, if you want to see how much you can make, you can click on this link and you can see all the proofs. And apart from this YouTube, you can also make money with email marketing. I will show you how. And Traffic Jarvis will help you to get your YouTube channel monetized within a month. We are talking about getting those 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours in 2 weeks only, and then your channel will be monetized. And after that, your job will be simply to upload videos and keep making money just like me. Okay, so the quick recap here is this Pixivid Pro 2.0 is the template offer of the videos. If you need them, go and buy them. If you don't need them, then you can still make money with simple videos just like me. Go below my video, subscribe, and check the first link here. Click on this make money with Traffic Jarvis, and let me show you practically how you can start making money from today onwards. So once you click on the first link below my YouTube video, it says make money with Traffic Jarvis, and then you will be taken to this website which says finally proven methods for making real money online from home, even if you're a brand newbie. Option number 1 is email marketing. Option number 2 is YouTube, Traffic Jarvis. So this Traffic Jarvis will help you to monetize your YouTube channel within 30 days as soon as possible, and it will help you to get those 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours which are required to get if you want to make money on YouTube without selling anything. Okay, so before I talk about Traffic Jarvis in detail, first of all, let's talk about this email marketing method here. So you can also make money with email marketing just by sending one email per day, but you need a lot of numbers. Okay, you need to have thousands and thousands of email addresses into your list, and then only you can go ahead and make some money with email marketing. So if you want to grow your email list without buying some paid ads, then you can try this system which you see right now on the screen. This will give you 100 email leads from US, Canada, Australia, from those countries, and you will also be allowed to send emails to these leads once per day. So by the end of the month, in 30 days, you will have 3,000 leads minimum, and you will be able to send them emails 30 times, in a month, right? So here are the proofs. You can see they have made 15,000 plus with the system. They have made 15,000 plus with the system. I have made 377 so far. And when I am recording this video, you might be watching this video in my on my YouTube channel, but these data will change because this is a recurring commission. Okay, so these numbers keeps adding every month, and this number will change. I don't know when you're watching this video, so whatever numbers you will see, those will be the updated numbers. Okay, and then if you want to learn how to use the system, then go and click on this play button, go on the next page, enter your name and email address, click on this watch free video, then go back to your email, verify your email. Once you have verified your email, then you will be taken to this video. Watch the video and take action, because if you take action, I'll send you some bonus email stripes. Okay, now let's talk about YouTube Traffic Jarvis, because on YouTube, again, you can make money for the rest of your life without selling anything. Click on the play button here, go on the next page, enter your name and email address, click on this red button, go back to your email, verify the email. Once you have verified your email, then you will be taken to the Traffic Jarvis video. Watch the video, take action, because you can see the proofs here. This is the money I have made just by uploading videos without selling anything, because my YouTube channel is monetized, and you must have seen some ads in my YouTube videos. So the more people see these ads in my YouTube videos, the more money this video is going to make for me. Okay, the same can be done for you too. You can go and get your YouTube channel monetized with the help of Traffic Jarvis within maximum 30 days, and after that your job is simply to upload videos every day on your channel and make this kind of money. Okay, and you can see here, this is the money I have made by doing some reviews on my YouTube channel. My primary source of income is YouTube ad revenue. Just upload videos, make money, no selling required. Okay, and again, these numbers will change. These numbers will grow, because again, I'm telling you, this is a recurring commission system. So right now, if it shows 560, in the future it might be well above 600 or 700. So the data will be changing when you're watching the video in the future. Okay, all right, great. So we have these two methods, email marketing and YouTube. Now, if you can master these two methods, you will never need to learn any third way to make money online. So go and check this out. And then we have this link says get Kiss Tracking, keep it simple, stupid. Kiss Tracking is all about doing what I'm doing right now. So in case if you are interested in learning how to do these reviews on your YouTube channel, if you want to know how to find these products, how to get your affiliate links approved, and how to upload these videos on your YouTube channel, then you can go through this Kiss Tracking training. And this Kiss Tracking will also be available inside Traffic Jarvis. Okay, and then we have the third link. It says make 120 recurring commission. Let's click on this one. This is for people who know how to sell, or maybe you have some kind of experience online. So just go and enter your name and email first, and then click on email me my free ebook. Then go back to your email address, click on the verification email, and then you will be given your ebook. Go and read the ebook if you want to join the system and take action, because you have to go and sell this system to others, because this system can make you up to $120 from one person, from one sale. Okay, so if you can bring in, let's say, 10 people into the system, those 10 people can make you up to $1,200 every single month. Okay, so this is a recurring system, and they will give you the proper training inside how to go and try free traffic or paid traffic. So you will have all the training inside too, but it is good if you have some experience already. And experience means if you already have a YouTube channel, or maybe you have an email list, or you have some kind of audience, and you can go and promote this product. So that will give you quick boost. Okay, so this is it. These were the links, and I would say go and check them out. If you want to make money without selling anything for the rest of your life, then you can go for Traffic Jarvis YouTube method. YouTube is absolutely free, and it's entirely on you. The more you work, the more money you will make. Here is the example, as you can see. And email marketing, you have to go and start doing it, because you have to wait for the numbers to grow, because in 1 month you will be getting 3,000, and that means you have to spend 2, 3, 4, 5 months before you can get up to those 10 or 15,000 email addresses. Okay, so all these methods are working for me. They will work for you too if you know how to make them work. Okay, so again, in the end, go and check everything, and thank you so much for watching the video so far, and subscribe. I have told you, YouTube does not allow me to subscribe to my own channel, so you gotta do it. Subscribe, like, leave your colorful super comments here. And thank you for watching the video again. I guess I'll see you in my next video shortly. Till then, baba tai tai. That means tada bye bye.